Welcome to Android Pro Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset Huawei Y7p in different ways. We provide two reset methods. First method, hard reset via recovery mode. Second method, reset with Google Find My device. Before reset your mobile, charge your mobile if the battery is less than 50%. You need to make sure that the data on your device is backed up so you do not lose valuable photos or documents. Delete all your mobile data, so you better to back up all important data and remove SIMs and SD card. First, switch off your mobile by holding the power button. After that, hold down the volume up and power button. Release all buttons when you see information about recovery mode. Afterward, choose to wipe data and factory reset option, by using volume buttons to select option and the power button to accept it. Now, enter the word yes. Next, select wipe data and factory reset option. Then you will see Google verification required. Choose wipe data and factory reset. Once the reset is complete, you'll be bounced back to the same recovery mode menu. Next, press the power button to select reboot system now. Follow AndroidProTips.com to get more Android tips. Hard reset with Google Find My device. This is the best method to reset your Android phone remotely. This method useful when you lose your phone or not able to access your mobile. This method also deletes all your Android phone data. After your device has been erased, you can't locate it. You can only use this method if you already added Gmail account to your phone and having an active internet connection. If your device is offline, erasing will begin when it next comes online. Take another phone or PC and open any browser. After that, visit Google Find My device. We provide link in description. Check description for more information. Sign in using the Google login credentials which are used on your phone. After login, there will be three different options: play sound, secure device and erase device. Now click on the 2x erase device option. Again enter the email and password. Next, you will see Erase All Data menu. Then tap on the Erase option. Well done, you are successfully reset your mobile. Subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get notification. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment.